Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do half double crochets in beginner lesson video number 6. So first we're going to start with our slip knot and our chain. Again, if you don't know how to do this or you want some help or practice, I will link the video on how to do this in the iCards right here. And now to do half double crochets, you're going to skip 2 chains and start in the 3rd chain. Now what we're going to do is yarn over before we go into that 3rd chain. And now we're going to go into the chain. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So far, this is the same as a double crochet. However, with a half double crochet, instead of going through 2 loops and then the last 2 loops that you create with the hook, you're actually just going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. And that's why it's called a half double crochet in US terms, because you only do half of the steps that you do for a double crochet. Now let's continue on. We're going to yarn over, go into our next chain here, yarn over and pull up a loop. So now we have those 3 loops on our hook, so we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And we're just going to keep going down the entirety of our chain, and I will show you at the end how you continue on for the next row. So here we are at the end of our row with half double crochets. To start the next row, all we're going to do is chain 2. So there's 1 and there's 2. Then we're going to turn our work. We're going to yarn over, insert into that last stitch of our first round, yarn over and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook, so yarn over and pull through those 3 just like you've been doing. And that is how we make half double crochets. If you want to know how to increase or decrease in a round, how to make slip stitches, and what the difference is between yarning over and yarning under means, definitely go check out beginner lesson number 7 next, and I will catch you guys there. Bye!